Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again we find ourselves another Saturday, so it's time for another shave. And as I say every week, we've got a good one lined up for you. Today, sorry, just got some fluff on my top lip. Just got out of the shower, dried myself off, I've got fluff all over my face. Okay, recent trip to TK Maxx, I think in the US it's called TJ Maxx. And we got, first of all I'll show you the brush. There's a brush, look, 26mm, get it the right way up for you. PAA, Peregrino, absolutely beautiful. One of my all-time favourite brushes, that probably at a push, probably been my number one brush. We'll get that in some warm water there to soak. So that's that. Didn't get that from TK Maxx. What I got was, I got the soap that we're going to be using. Look at this. Musgo, is it Musgo Brito? It's from Portugal, and I went on the website and had a look, and it says it's got coconut oil in it and glycerin, coconut oil and glycerin based, and the scent notes are what are they? Patchouli, vetiver, and some kind of, I completely not totally forgot, but it's patchouli and vetiver and sandalwood. Oh, dad brain, that's what Samantha calls it, dad brain. Musgo, patchouli, vetiver and sandalwood. I'll get it open, I'll show you this now. There it comes, look at that, it's a fair old size. It's, can you hear that? It's rock hard and it smells lovely. What am I getting? I'm getting more vetiver than anything else, but there you go. There's a little logo in there. I don't know if you can see it. So that's the soap we're going to be using today. We're going to balm up British Racing Green balm. I saw that on the shelf, and right next to it we saw this British Racing Green EDT for gentlemen. Look, there was nothing on it. There's nothing. It came in a box. There's nothing I can see on the box either. I've tried to do a bit of research, couldn't really find out a lot, but that smells really nice. Now, I was going to use a green Astra, but the razor I'm going to be using is this one. Let me wipe that off the top. Here it is, the Heritage by Gillette. Now, it's an absolutely beautiful razor, that. Can you see that? Absolutely stunning, but a tad on the mild side, so I didn't want to use what's quite a mild. I find them to be quite mild, so what I did was, I'm going to leave that in the thumbnail because I can't change everything now, but I'm going to put a Kai blade. There you go. I'm going to put a Kai blade because anybody who knows anything about Kai blades knows that they are slightly wider. Try and get one out now. They're slightly wider than most other DE blades, and I'm hoping that just that little millimetre or so in width will give a bit of extra aggression to the shave. But if it's mild, it's mild. So we'll put it in. I've taken it out of the packaging. There's no markings on it or anything. But there, we've got it in there. We'll put that in there. We'll put that in there. So please let me know. We'll get that in there to soak. We'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. Oh. So there you go. We'll wet the beard area. How has everybody been? Please don't forget, as far as I'm aware, they're 10% off at shavingtime.co.uk if you use code John3749. Still applies, and they've got a whole raft of new stuff in. So please use it. Help me, help the channel. There you go. And click like and subscribe as well. I am trying to grow the channel. And once you're a subscriber, head on over to my last video. There's a giveaway, and you can enter that too. So here we go. This is what I'm going to do with this. That side slightly round. That's dead flat. We're going to go. There you go. Because what I'm going to do after I'm going to try and find some kind of container to put this in. I've got a bulldog container. Now the bulldog soap smells and feels like it's made out of plastic. So I may just bin the bulldog, or put the bulldog soap in the bath, to be honest with you. I may just do that. Put this in the bulldog container and take that label over the top of it, over the top of the bulldog symbol, and we'll see where we go from there. There we go, 24mm. It feels more than 24mm, that. Like it looks more, should I say. Doesn't feel more. You'll have to excuse me, I'm busy this weekend. So what I'm doing is, well, look at this. You can't argue with that, guys, can you? Look, you saw it for yourself. Yeah. It's Friday evening as I film this. I do not like doing this. It's been a hectic week. Absolutely exhausted. Came in from what and jumped straight in the shower. Well, look at this, guys. You saw it for yourself. Wow. Well, to this, that's a very rich, thick, creamy lather. Like me, if I ever win the lottery, rich and thick. There you go. Okay, yeah, that'll do, isn't it? That's good. Let me know if you've used any of these products, guys, what you think of them. That puck, by the way, was just £3. What's that, about $4.50, $5 at TK Maxx, and I'm seeing more and more TK Maxx is opening up. So, well, there you go. Oh, big blob of it flew off onto the shower curtain. Right, look at that, it's left in there. Wow, well, I'm impressed with that. Here we go. I'll clear the old runways. I've got to get this bit right because my hair's starting to grow. The side there, as you can see, I've got a haircut. Look on there. Oh yeah, right, wow. Yeah, wow. You can feel, you can feel that Kai blade taking that aggression up. Right, now this Gillette Heritage, I don't use it a lot purely and simply because of its mildness. But do you use it? Have you got one? I was looking to get one to gift to somebody. Cannot find them anywhere. People keep saying to me, "Oh, they're on eBay.com." They're not. They're not. They're not in stock. I had to pre-order this one when they very first come out. Do you remember? I pre-ordered this one, and it came about 2 months later. So, yeah. So, how are you all doing? How is your weekends going? Please let me know in the comments. This will go up tomorrow, so you'll see this Saturday. But I did record it Friday night. Well, I think it's about 6 o'clock now. Samantha and Angela have gone out shopping. Right, so, sending condolences over to Bradley from Texas. Oh, Bradley's had some bad news. Thinking of you, Bradley, and you, Ning, too, and the rest of the family. Right, so this back burrito, please let me know if you know anything about it. There was, oh yes, the big announcement. Do you remember I said? Big announcement, right? Well, sample Saturday. It's kind of been put on hold for the month of August. Because what I'm going to do in the month of August, I'm going to switch my Saturdays to a shave stick shave. What do you reckon to that? I can hear you all audibly gasping all over the globe. The whole globe went. So what I'm going to do is, I have been asked by several people to use shave sticks. I am not overly keen on shave sticks, but I do own several. So what I thought I would do is, just for the next 4 weeks after today, I'm going to do shave stick Saturday shave. There you go. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to shave using a shave stick. And on the Wednesday shave, I'm going to try and use UK artisan shaving soap. Because I was asked by Jim Will Shave to do that. And then Kevy's done it. Kevy's doing it in August, hasn't he? So I thought it would be nice to jump on board with that. It's not my idea. I'm jumping on board. I'm still full credit to Jim and Kevy. But yeah, thought I would jump on board with that and highlight some UK artisans. I don't think I've got 4, but we'll have a look. We'll fish some out. We'll fish some out and we'll see where we go. So when this is over, when this shave's over, I'm going to go and upload this. And then I'm going to settle down. I haven't eaten yet today. Not today, all day, nothing. I've had no breakfast, no dinner, no evening meal, nothing yet. That would account for my skeleton-like appearance to you all. But don't be concerned. Food will be partaken of, along with a glass of jam shed. So let me know what your shaves of the day are, please, guys. I read them all. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. You know what mine is. I don't really drink anything else. What I tend to do is I tend to buy a bottle of jam shed and I'll have a glass tonight and I'll have the other glass tomorrow. And then I will buy a bottle on Sunday and I'll have a glass Sunday evening. And then the other one I will probably save, and at some point during the week when the mood takes me, when we're settled down of an evening, just before bed, I will usually finish that one off. I absolutely love my jam shed. And I know what Lee's having. Lee's having homebrew, aren't you, Lee? So yeah. Oh yeah, if I don't know if I mentioned that, but John Shaves 101 Facebook group as well. If you're on Facebook, go and join that. It's only got about 60 or 70 members. It's just shaves of the day. Show us what you've got. Show off. That soap's really slick, guys. For £3. Well, you've seen the lather it produced. That was absolutely phenomenal, wasn't it? For £3, look, and it's still going. I nearly put it on again then, look. We're only going to do pickups. Pickup time, baby. Wrong channel, John. The usual suspects. I should have done leather mittens. Yeah, so. Oh yes. Next Saturday's shave will be a holiday. I'm going away for a couple of days. Some strange land called Wales. I think what it is, the Dallas cheerleaders and the Brazilian beach volleyball team are in town and they're practicing down on the beach. They've seen the videos. They sent me a PM. John, come down and party with us. I didn't want to go, but they've booked a room for us, so I'm going to do a hotel shave, and that is our shave, guys. I'll dry myself off, and then I'll lean in. Oh, so that Kai in that Gillette Heritage razor did okay. Seemed like a good combo. It was mild, but it was very, very efficient. Here we go. Come on. Once again, guys. Well, yeah. There was a little bit there, but the residual slickness, I can feel the slickness in my skin now. We did okay. We did okay. I wouldn't say it was BBS, but I would blame the razor for that. I do find it to be a very mild razor. I think that's why I don't use it very often. Let me know what you think of it. Here we go, British Racing Green. Look at this, we're going all expensive. I think, guys, that smells. Oh yeah. There's a hint of lemon in that, guys. That smells like a really nice, expensive, citrus type cologne. Very, very nice. And then we'll balm up. There you go. 2 little squirts. Zara and Elijah. I've got them over for the weekend. And they love it. They love Grandad's videos. They love Grandad beating them up and making fun of them. There you go. That's it. Up the arms. My wife loves that. Okay, and that's our shave, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching. Remember the discount code. Remember to follow me on the Facebook page, John Shaves. That's for a join. John Shaves 101 Facebook group. And Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well, at John Shaves 101. I post all these pictures on there. And once again, please give us a subscribe. Let me know what you think about today's shave and the products used. And any information you can give me on them as well. And if you know anything about that Gillette Heritage, because I really do want another one. And that's it. Have a wonderful weekend. We did okay there, didn't we? Have a wonderful weekend. Look after yourselves. And remember, be the change that you wish to see in the world. And you've changed the world, haven't you? See you on the next one, guys.